test, because of which there needs to be an extension. Now, Arvind Kejriwal is going to be going to the temple. So there's some bhakti before the jail stint for Arvind Kejriwal. He is going to be in the Hanuman temple. He has taken to Twitter to make that announcement as well. He will also be addressing the Aam Aadmi Party cadre there. He will be speaking to some of the supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party before he returns to Tihar jail. As per the bail conditions that had been put in place, he has to return to Tihar jail today. So Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted regarding what his plan for the day is. According to the bail conditions, of course, he has to return to Tihar jail despite filing a plea in this regard, where he said that he needs to conduct medical tests. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Kejriwal, have been saying that this is an attempt to not just finish off Aam Aadmi Party politically, saying this is a conspiracy by the BJP. They've also been saying that they're targeting the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. In fact, they also said that this is an attempt to attack Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Arvind Kejriwal. So now Arvind Kejriwal all set to return to Tihar jail. He is expected to leave his residence at about 2 p.m. in just about 4 hours from now. He will first be going to Rajghat, after which he will go to the Hanuman temple. My colleague Tejshri is joining us with the details of what's expected. Tejshri, Arvind Kejriwal will, of course, be returning to Tihar jail later in the day. Tell us his schedule. We understand he's going to be stopping at Rajghat and also going to be visiting the Hanuman temple.
Well, yes, what we're expecting is that before walking to Tihar jail, Kejriwal is first, going to leave his residence at 3 p.m. Then first he will be going to Rajghat, then offer prayers at Hanuman Mandir, and then he will also be going to the party office, where he's expected to also address the Karyakartas. Remember that this was the same itinerary that he followed when he walked out on interim bail. From the Tihar jail, he went to Hanuman Mandir, which is at Connaught Place. Then he also addressed the Karyakartas. But now it also seems like other leaders will also be present. Other party Karyakartas certainly will also be present at Tihar jail as well, when he will be walking into again Tihar jail, when he will be surrendering. And in fact, remember that all the senior leaders like Sanjay Singh, Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Gopal Rai, and also of course Raghav Chadha, who has come back from foreign to India, and he's also expected to accompany Arvind Kejriwal wherever he will be going. So yes, now Aam Aadmi Party will also be deciding what will be their next strategy, because for good 15 days Arvind Kejriwal was out on bail. He must have decided the strategy, and now it will be interesting to see that who will be representing him. First it was Sunita Kejriwal, and now will it be Sunita or somebody else? Okay, all right. Let's take a look at what Arvind Kejriwal has said. He has taken to Twitter. Of course, he's ending his post with Jai Hind. Meghna is joining us with Arvind Kejriwal's reaction on the social media platform.
Well, absolutely. And this is very interesting when we break down the itinerary of Arvind Kejriwal, the way that he's played 3 cards essentially. First is the Hindu card, where he goes for prayers. Second is the Martyr card, which is very symbolic, as he will be headed towards Rajghat to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. And third, of course, is going to be the nationalistic card. In fact, this tweet of Arvind Kejriwal shows just that. He has tweeted out to his supporters saying, I have come out for election campaign for 21 days on the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court. I'm very grateful to the Honorable Supreme Court. Today I will surrender by going to Tihar jail. I will leave home at 3 p.m. First I will go to Rajghat. I will pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. From there I will go to Hanuman temple in Connaught Place to seek the blessings of Hanumanji. And from here I will go to the party office and meet all the workers and party leaders. From there I will leave for Tihar. All of you take care of yourselves. I'll take care of you all in jail. If you are happy, then your Kejriwal will also happy. This is also very significant. All of you take care of yourselves. I will take care of you in jail as well. Again, reiterating that Sarkar will be running out of the Tihar jail again for Delhi.
Okay, आप खुश रहेंगे तो जेल में आपका केजरीवाल भी खुश रहेगा. That's what Arvind Kejriwal says. Meghna, thank you for joining us with those details. On that note, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back with the top headlines. Stay with us.